Hello, I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do the third lesson on G.C.E. ordinary level exams. So, I have with me the G.C.E. ordinary level 2019 paper. In the past two lessons, we have already discussed test 1 and test 2. Today, we are going to discuss test 3. Now, if you have a question paper, you can have a look at it, or test 3 is a picture description. But you don't have to describe the picture. There is a picture given below the question, and below the picture there is a paragraph with some blanks, and by the side of the picture some words are given. Those words are the words that you will have to use in the blanks. Okay, so first of all, let's read the question. Read it carefully. Test 3. Study the picture given below. Study the picture given below. I hope you all can understand it now. Study, read and understand. Study the picture given below. Below means under the question, below. Then fill in the blanks in the paragraph. Now there is a paragraph with some blanks or gaps. Fill in the blanks in the paragraph using the words given in the box. There is a box by the side of the picture. On the right hand side of the picture there is a box, and there are some words given there. So fill in the blanks in the paragraph using the words given in the box. Write the letter of the correct word in the blank. Write the letter of the correct word in the blank. The first one is done for you. The first one is done for you. That means the first gap is filled. First gap has already been filled. So you don't have to do that. Let's look at the picture first. Before you fill in the blanks, it is advisable for you to look at the picture and understand it, so that it will be easy for you to answer the question or fill the blanks. So let's look at the picture. What can you see in the picture? On the right hand side, top corner of the picture, right hand side, this is my right hand side top corner, bottom and top. I think you know bottom and top. There are 4 corners in the picture. There are 4 corners. What are the 4 corners? There are 2 top corners and 2 bottom corners, and there are also 2 sides. What are the 2 sides? Left hand side and the right hand side. So right hand side top corner, we can see a window with curtains. Okay, and right hand side bottom corner, you can see a table. You can see a table, and on the table there are some books on the table, and there is a lamp, table lamp also. So on the table there are some books and there is a table lamp, and this table has 3 drawers. Can you see that? This table has 3 drawers. Okay, so then that is the right hand side top and bottom corner. On the left hand side top corner, you can see an umbrella and a hat. Can you see them? Yes, a hat and an umbrella. And there is a bed and on the bed there are two boys. There are two boys on the bed and they are sitting on the bed. They are sitting on the bed. They are talking. Then at the extreme left hand side bottom corner, you can see a shoe rack also. You can see a shoe rack. Can you see it? There are some shoes also on the rack. And what is there? There is a mat also near the door. There is also a cupboard. Can you see the cupboard in the middle of the picture? Between the window and the umbrella, there is a cupboard. The cupboard is opened. The cupboard is open. There is a cupboard and there are some clothes in it. There are some clothes in it. What can you see? You can see some trousers and a t-shirt or something like that. Yes. Okay. Now that you have studied the picture, it is very easy for you to fill the gaps in the paragraph. Let's read the paragraph, and before that I think we'd better read the words. The words I have just mentioned in the picture. Okay. They are not numbered, they are written with the letters. A, bed. B, curtains. C, cupboard. D, umbrella. E, friend. F, table. G, lamp. H, drawers. I, books. J, trousers. And K, wall. Okay, these are the words. Now look at the paragraph if you have a question paper, and let's read it. This picture shows Chatura's room. This picture shows Chatura's room. I hope you all can understand it. This picture, this, I have taught you the word this. When we want to show someone something near us, we use the word this. This paper. This paper. Now I am wearing a t-shirt, I say this t-shirt. Today I am wearing a pair of glasses, so I say these glasses, or this pair of glasses, I say this. Okay, so this picture is one picture. It is a singular subject, so we have to use a singular verb. And you know how to make verb singular. We usually add s, es or ies to make verbs singular. Okay, so this picture shows Chatura's room. It's very easy and everybody can understand it. This picture shows Chatura's room. His, now the first one is done for you. His, there is a blank. His blank, Isuru is sitting near him. His blank, Isuru is sitting near him. So his blank. Now in this blank there must be a noun. So noun must be a person. Why? Isuru is a name. So his, who is Isuru? Isuru must be his friend. So for the first blank you must use E, friend. That is already done. So his friend Isuru is sitting near him. If you look at the picture, you can see Isuru is sitting near him. On his, near him, on his blank. Where? On his. So from this we will have to take a word. Can we say on his table? Do people sit on table? No. On his cupboard? No, we can't say. People don't sit on cupboards. So there is only one thing that they can sit, and we can see in the picture he is sitting, right? Isuru is sitting near him on his bed. So the answer to question number 2 is bed. So you must write the letter A. His bed. There is a blank with 3 blank in the room. Now you see, there is something, we don't know what it is. We'll have to look at the picture and say, with 3 blanks in the room. Now in the room, what are the things? They are talking about one thing. There is a cupboard, but we can't see with 3. And then it is say, there is a bed, but there is we can't use the word 3. So I think there is a table. There is a table with 3. So answer to question number 3 is F, table. There is a table with 3. What is it? In the room. With 3 what? The table has 3 drawers. So the answer must be drawers. So there is a table with 3 drawers in the room. In the room. I hope you all can understand it. Then a pile of blank, and the blank is blank he uses to study can also be seen there here. Now let's try to fill these 2 blanks. Listen carefully. A pile of blanks. Pile is, if there is number of things together, we called it a pile. A pile of leaves. When your mother swept the compound and she raked the leaves or sweep the leaves together into a pile. So there is a pile. If you have lots of books on the table, pile of books we say. So here on the table, a pile of books. So it must be books. A pile of books and the blank he uses to study. The what? The lamp. The lamp he uses to study. He uses a lamp to study. Why? When he is studying at night, he uses a lamp. Right? He lights a lamp. He lights a lamp, then only he can study at night. So now let's have a look again. A pile of blank. For that blank, we must use books. Pile of books and the lamp. For question number 6, lamp he uses to study. Lamp he uses to study can also be seen. Lamp can be seen. So I am sure I have taught you the lesson on can be. If not, I will teach you that later. Can be, can also be seen here. Here we can see. We can see a pile of books and the lamp. Right, now let's go ahead. He, here, the blank, the, question number 7, blank, of the window are partly open. The blank of the window are partly open. Now look at the window. What is partly open? The, what? The curtains. You can see the curtains on the window. The curtains on the curtains of the window. The curtains of the window are partly open. They are partly open. In the blank, he has hung a shirt and 2 pair of blanks. In the what? Now we are talking about the something using the preposition in. So we can't say in the table, we can't say in the bed, on the bed we said. So we can use only cupboard or room. So in the cupboard, it must be in the cupboard, in the cupboard. So for question number 8, it must be cupboard, in the cupboard. He has hung, you know, hang, hung. You hang clothes in something. So in the cupboard, he has hung a shirt, we can see a shirt and 2 pairs of, what can you see? 2 pairs of trousers. A pair of trousers. 2 pairs of trousers. 2 pairs of trousers. Okay, right. Now go ahead. There is a cap. There is a cap. You can see a cap. And an. The word an is there. So, if you know the grammar that I have already taught, an is an article we use with the word beginning with the vowel or with the vowel sound. So, an, which word has a vowel and vowel sound? Umbrella. The only word we can use here is umbrella because it has a vowel sound. So, I shall read that again. This, there is a cap and an umbrella on the hangers. You know hangers. Hangers are a kind of things that we use to hang clothes. We fix it on the walls. Hangers, wall hanger, right? So, there is a cap and an umbrella on the hangers fixed to the hangers are usually fixed to the wall. Fixed to the wall. There are 2 pairs of shoes. There are 2 pairs of shoes on the shoe rack. There are 2 pairs of shoes on the shoe rack. One is white and the other is black. One is white and the other is black. Chatura keeps his room neat and tidy. Chatura keeps his room neat and tidy. You can see it is very neat and tidy. Okay, so that's the end of test 3. I hope you could understand it. I hope you could understand it because today I used English to describe the paper. If you have any comments, please let me know whether you want me to describe the lessons in Sinhala. I hope this is very easy and words are very familiar to you. I hope you can understand this. Happy learning.